When I start working with nutrition clients, the overwhelming majority do not get enough non-starchy veggies in. Vegetables provide us with vitamins, minerals, and fiber and are essential to helping you become the healthiest version of yourself. Here are 4 tips to help increase your veggie intake. First, prepping veggie baggies can be really helpful to have vegetables ready and on hand. We love slicing up peppers and putting them into baggies or small containers. Next, try out different cooking methods like roasting vegetables that get so nice and crispy, or air frying that's very fast and you have a wonderful cooked but crispy texture. Utilize different seasonings with your vegetables, like herbs, spices, and different seasonings. You may even have a couple pots of herbs on hand to throw into your vegetables or meat dishes. Lastly, you may find ways to sneak veggies in. One huge favorite recipe of ours is the strawberry shortcake smoothie, which includes 1 cup of riced cauliflower in there. I promise you do not taste the cauliflower. Use these tips to help increase your veggie intake. If you're unsure exactly what you should be eating to become the healthiest version of yourself, I want to help you. By working with a nutrition coach, you have a guide to help you make a plan that is simple and realistic for you. Click the link below to apply for nutrition coaching today.